Excuse me, are you Mary?
Yes, and you are John?
Yes, I think we have the same Uber.
Oh, a pool ride. Okay.
The driver says we go to the mall first.
But I need to go to work. I am late.
Me too. My meeting starts in 10 minutes.
Can you ask the driver to go faster?
I asked. He says the route is fixed.
This is not good. My boss is waiting.
Same here. Next time, no pool rides.
Agreed. I will pay more for a private car.
Look, we are stopped in traffic now.
Oh no, I need to call my boss.
I will send a message to my team.
This morning is a disaster.
Yes, but hey, at least the car is clean.
True. Small things, right?
Right. Good luck at work, Mary.
You too, John. We need it today.